In today's video, I'll show you how you can get the QuickBooks 30-day free trial. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to go into your browser and go here into the website, which is quickbooks.intuit.com. And then you'd have this pop up. So from here, you just simply need to click here on visit the US site. You could also go for the other, depending on what you'd want. So in my case, I'll just go for US so that it would be in USD. And next is that you can now click here on see plans and pricing. And then click here again. And then now we have this toggle. So you can go for the 50% off for 3 months if you'd want to avail this offer, or you could also go for a free trial for 30 days. So you must choose between one of them. So in my case, I want the 30 days free trial. So I'm going to go and click on that. And as you can see, it is now turned off. So you will now get a 30 days trial. Now you want to choose the plan that you'd want to avail. In my case, I would want the essentials. Next is that you can now add some add-ons if you'd want to, but in my case, I'll just click here on continue with payroll. And next is that we would need to create our account right here by providing the email, password, and phone number, and then clicking here on one more step for the billing. And as you can see right here, the total amount is $0 because we have the 30-day free trial. So yeah, that is basically it. You just need to provide your email, password, and phone, and click here on one more step, and that is where you'd be providing your card details and other information that will be needed by QuickBooks. So yeah, you won't be charged, but I think they would ask for your payment method and payment information after the trial. And if you would want to change your plan in here while you're still here, you can click here on edit button here and essentials, and then you can choose another one, or you could also activate the 50% off, but you won't get the 30 days free trial if you do this. So yeah, this is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.